Alam mo, daming trabaho. We have two third reading bills here today and for three, and two of them happen to be citizenship bills for our Philippine teams, for wrestling and for basketball. Naghihintay sila, time bound yan. And we're ready to work. So if the presiding officer comes, magtatrabaho po tayo. Tsaka, ang mahalaga dito yung sa CA, kasi meron pala mga generals that are up for promotion na darating na po yung birthday nila. So kung hindi magpo-convene yung CA, kawawa naman sila, di ba? Naapektuhan pa yung promotion nila at mababypass na sila, hindi na sila makakatapos na. Ibig sabihin, after their 30 plus years of service, they cannot get promoted one rank higher because we cannot meet as a CA. So it's important we convene today and already elect members of the Commission on Appointments para by Wednesday we can have a hearing on the Armed Forces of the Philippines na naghihintay po sila para sa kanilang confirmation. So we're just waiting.
How long na maghihintay ang minority?
Kung as it takes, we'll wait. Trabaho naman to eh.
Walang masabi sa inyo, sir, na hindi makakapag-start ng 5?
Si Secretary daw tinatawagan pa noon na CSP. So, tayo lang po kami. We're ready to work.
Kasi kaming dalawang third reading. Matthew Ramos and si Ben Boatwright for citizenship is scheduled today and they're here. So we hope we can...
Sir, paano yung procedure ba dapat? Sino yung pwedeng, si SP lang po tsaka si San Loren yung pwedeng mag-preside?
Pwede mag-open, sir?
Yes, we call the session in court. So without him, without the forum, we cannot call the session.
Pero may violation po ba sa
Wait for
rules?
them.
Wala pa.
Yung hindi pag-sipol?
Hintayin natin sila. Let's wait for them.
Nangyayari naman na nahuhuli. So we wait for them.
Pero never, sir, nangyari na nag-cancel bigla. Pwede
Wala pa
hindi.
namang cancellation.
Oo nga. Pero that never happens before, sir.
Meron, basta force majeure.
Bagyo.
Bagyo, baha.
Pandemya.
Then wait.
Let's wait guys. Maaga pa. Session supposed to start at 5. Maaga pa. We'll wait.
Hindi naman, sir, sagot ko sa walk-up.
Wait.